A particle is projected upwards with a velocity of 100 meter per second at an angle of 60 degree with the vertical. Find the time when the particle will move perpendicular to its initial direction, taking g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Now suppose a particle is projected, suppose this is the initial velocity, which makes an angle 60 degree with the vertical. Okay. Now over here we have to, with the initial velocity 100 meter per second. Now it is given that find the time after which the particle becomes the velocity of the particle will be perpendicular to the initial position. So after certain time the velocity of the particle will be perpendicular to this part, so the velocity of the particle will be in this direction, making an angle 30 degree with a horizontal. Okay, making an angle 30 degree with the vertical. Initially it was given with the vertical, so this angle will also be with the vertical. Okay, so basically we have to find out the time after which the velocity makes an angle 30 degree with the vertical, but in the vertically downward direction. Okay, now both of them are perpendicular to each other. Okay, now both of them are perpendicular to each other. If you find the angle between them, it will be exactly 90 degree. So basically the initial velocity of the particle along the x direction, which always remains constant, the initial velocity of the particle along the x direction which always remains constant, which will be equal to 100, okay, 100 sine 60, and the particle along the the velocity of the particle along the y direction will be equal to uy, which will be equal to 100 cos 60. So now they have asked after certain time, suppose the velocity is v over here. Okay, after certain time the velocity is v over here, but the horizontal velocity always remains same. So the horizontal velocity will be equal to 100 sine 60 over here, regardless of how much time is spent. Okay, regardless of how much time is spent, the velocity will be equal to 100 sine 60. So in this case the tan 30 will be equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite over here is equal to 100 sine 60, opposite upon adjacent. So upon the final velocity along the vertical direction, let it be equal to Vy. Okay, so basically it will tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to 100 sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 into Vy. Okay, so basically Vy will come out to be 150 meter per second, but in the vertically downward direction. Okay, in the vertically downward direction it will be equal to 150 meter per second in the vertically downward direction. Now let us proceed with this part. So now initial velocity along the x direction, initial velocity along the y direction was 100 cos 60, okay, which was equal to 50. Final velocity is equal to minus 50. We have to find out the time. So we will use the formula v is equal to u plus at. Now v is equal to minus 150. Initial velocity is equal to 50. Acceleration over here is equal to minus 10 into time t. So basically over here it will be equal to 10 into t will be equal to 200. So time over here will be equal to 20 seconds. So after 20 seconds the velocity will be perpendicular to its original path.